G'day YouTube. Just a quick demo of my power planters I bought recently. I bought a set of 4. It was about $500 for these bits, and what they are is basically just auger bits that fit in a standard size drill. And I use these in the one of my older drills, a Bosch 36 volt cordless. It's a pretty heavy duty cordless drill. So I don't mind breaking this or whatever, but so far I haven't broken it. I've had to replace the bushes once on it. But that's all. But just giving you a quick demo on some new soil. I've never done here before, so I don't know what it's like. You can see this bit here is a bit rocky, and I'm doing it on slow speed, so high torque, so it's a bit hard to hold it really with 2 hands or even a handle. What I'll do is I'll turn the speed up and press softer, and it'll go faster, but it won't jump around as much. The problem with that is you can burn the drill out a bit easier if you're not careful, so it's better to use 2 hands and use the low torque setting. So I'm just planting some plants with this at the moment, but I've been using this to do post holes for fences. So I've got 2 there. I usually drill a pilot hole with this one, and then I'll come along with a bigger one, and they both drill at about the same speed on most types of soils, unless you've got really hard soil, then it won't do it. So you can see I put that tree in. That took all of about 60 seconds to put that in there. Quite a bit of digging by hand if you have to do that by hand. These things have been used over and over again. I've loaned them to friends. They've been really good. Here's another video. This is virgin ground again. I've just drilled the grass. Sometimes it gets caught on the grass. Video's upside down, sorry, but I figure it doesn't matter. So sometimes it's best to just drill through the grass and make sure, because that does sometimes get caught on the grass, but once it gets through the grass, it just plows through soil like it's nothing usually. So there you go. And now this next one, I haven't even started on the grass. This is just straight down, so you can see how it normally works. This is actual speed. So there you go. You're probably 6-8 inches down already. Just drill a pilot hole. You go like that, make it a bit wider if you don't quite need to use the big auger. And then you come along with a big auger and drill it. I lost the video. I actually did a video and it didn't record. But they both work pretty much exactly the same as that first one. But here's the 3 trees I planted. Took all of about, I'd say 3 minutes, 4 minutes tops. And thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.